Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf for another Good Man Eats. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make a surf and turf sandwich. Catch you inside.
RevelatorAlf.
Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf. Hope you're enjoying the series. Please subscribe and hit the notifications bell for all the latest videos. So, this is one of my biker treats which I love. You know, I can have it, I can make it and pack it in my pack. And off I go on my biking travels throughout the day. So basically, it's just a sandwich with anchovies and corned beef and some roasted peppers in there as well. All oily, gooey, and full of goodness. Right, so basically, all you do, just get some sliced bread. There you go. Any old bread will do, any sliced bread will do. You can have crusty bread if you want, but I prefer it in a sliced bread. Now, because the anchovies, or there's lots of oil in the anchovies, and you're having roasted peppers as well. You can either have them dry or under an oil here. Yeah, I don't think there's any need to butter the bread, but I'll leave that entirely up to you, of course. Now, so what we do, we're going to open up the corned beef first of all. This is where I'll show myself up, because I can't even open up a tin. Right, so let's just do that. This may take some time. Right, hold on. So, basically what you're trying to do is have a layer of corned beef, then a layer of peppers, then a layer of anchovies on top. Right, so I'm going to do that. Right, so what I'm going to do, get a knife, and just slice off some of that corned beef. There's one. I'll dish that out of the tin later on. Right, so that's that. Right, so here we've got one and we've got two bits on there. So look, very simple, just not too thick, not too thin, just on there. Right, next thing, go to any sort of supermarket and you'll find roasted peppers in a jar, under some sunflower oil type thing. Now, you can do that, you can make your own, of course, but that's entirely up to you. But obviously, this is man eats, we're a bit lazy, aren't we? So anyway, just get a few of these peppers and just put it on top like that. Drain off a bit of the oil. The reason why I'm draining off a little bit of the oil, because I want to use more of the oil from the anchovies. Right, there we go. That's that one. Then you get the tinned anchovies, right? Any old one will do. You can use sardines as well, but say I go for the anchovies. Now, there we go. Now these are actually in olive oil. So what you want to do, you want to put this on the other sliced bread. There we go. Just divvy them up a little bit. You're going to have to pull them apart a little bit. Now these are going to be very salty, very oily, very gooey, but very, very nice. Right. Now you could, I'm just going to add a little bit of this oil over the top. And let that oil soak into the bread as well. There we go. I didn't say this was a healthy sandwich. I just said it was a delicious sandwich. Right. So then you kind of have to fold it together. Right, so let's do that. Oh, there we go. Look at that thing. Right. Now, you could cut it in half and put it into a lunchbox or a pack and take it with you. You could eat it there and then, but I tend not to cut my sandwiches in half. Anybody who knows me can vouch for that. But I'll just have it in a wanna. So pack it up, put it in your backpack or in your panniers or whatever it is, or your rucksack, and just take it away with you on the day. So this is my surf and turf sandwich. So basically this is my anchovy, salty anchovies in olive oil with roasted peppers. Oh my God, look, it's dripping all over the place. With roasted peppers and corned beef. Oh, now that sandwich will put hairs on your chest. What a great biker treat that is. Anyway, I'm going to have to tidy up a little bit, but I'm going to finish off this sandwich and I'll catch you on the next Good Man Eats, whenever that is. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Really easy, really great to take it out on the road. Really healthy in many ways. Lots of fish oils. Keep your salts up, you know, if you're going to be sweating loads, you know, on a day's ride, or you're out working for doing lots of physical work. Got the peppers in there, full of vitamin C, and you've got the corned beef, which is just, you know, moo stuff, isn't it? Right. So, if you like the video, give it a like. Leave your comments below if you think you could add a little bit more to that sandwich, and subscribe and hit the notifications bell, and I will catch you again. Catch you on the next one. Cheers now.